Good afternoon, John here. Here is the corner stool with a plant that's just starting out here. So anyhow, yeah, there's the outside. There's the river valley. Here's a rocking chair I made for my kids. It's kind of a mission style. It's out of sycamore. And here's a cradle I made out of cherry for both of my kids. So let's go upstairs and I'll I'll show you the tables, the other two tables. Alrighty, here, we'll walk upstairs real quick. Here's some firewood that it's not going to be anything. That's some firewood that will definitely not be anything. But here's the one table. Let's see how cold it is out here. 45, not too bad. And there's the other table. I gotta cut a little bit more off a couple of legs. It's still not quite even, but I thought it'd be a good checker table for outside too. But there's the one. I use these mostly for chopping other wood and stuff, but I gotta make another one of those. I gotta get a couple live slabs that are thicker, make a thicker one. I made that one a long time ago. That piece of cedar there is some cedar that my grandpa had hanging up in his shop. Alrighty, you have a good one. God bless.